This is an overview of how to set up and configure your WCM device with the Curator Live app. First, I want to make sure I point out the iPad gets connected to the WCM or other dongle that you have. The WCM or dongle gets connected to the internet. The way you do that is by connecting your iPad, which is what I'm going to do right now, to the WCM device. So as you see here, I believe I'm already connected to it, and I am. I've connected to it. If you need the username and password, you got to revisit your instruction manual. That's where you'll be able to get that information. With that said, once you connect it, then you open up a browser and you go to the website, which in this case is 192.168.4.1. And the moment you press go, it will take you to a page, since you're connected to the WCM, a page where you can log into the WCM. Now, in order to log in, I believe the blanket password is all lowercase, DNP WCM. And I believe the password is, again, all lowercase, PASSWORD. I do recommend that you change that at some point. But right when you log in, you're taken directly to your printer's page. Now, if I had a printer connected to the WCM module, this is where you would configure your printers. And this is one of the things that you're going to need to do. But what I am here to show you is how to text, email, and print at the same time. And in order to do that, you need to make sure that you set up your network settings. That's what I'm going to go to. From there, I'm going to go to hotspot settings because essentially you need to connect it. And I'm sorry, not hotspot settings, but the Wi-Fi connection. Now, the Wi-Fi connection allows you to connect the WCM device, this device right here, to an internet connection. Now, I have one here that's already set, which is the Curator Live one, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my password for that. Curator Live. And I'm just going to do this because I want to show you. And I'm going to go ahead and connect to it. Actually, I'm already connected to it. So essentially, this is already connected to it. Which means that when I'm running the app, it will allow me to print, text, and email at the same time. But if you don't connect the Wi-Fi, a hotspot basically, to your Wi-Fi connections, in this case, obviously Curator, then you will have issues. Okay, so again, the iPad gets connected to the WCM gets connected to the internet. That's the internet connection that allows you to text and email as well as print. Now, if you want to change your hotspot settings, that's the connection that you actually use to connect your iPad. I wouldn't recommend you change that. And just as a note, you could also set up an Ethernet connection if you had a hotspot with an Ethernet cord. There are a few other options here. I don't recommend that you change any of those. Really, the only thing that you need to deal with is the printers, which you would have a list of printers here if they were connected, as well as some basic device information. Other than that, again, in order to print, text, and email at the same time, network settings, Wi-Fi connection, give it a second, it will pop up. Once it does, then you choose the one that you have to connect to, and after you do that, that's it. It will allow you, that means that the WCM is connected to the internet, which then means that the iPad can communicate to the WCM to send a print as well as send a text and email. Hope that helps.